Hey there and welcome to Tech Light and Me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a clean install of Windows 11 without a Microsoft account. And this method uses an auto-unattend answer file. So once your computer restarts, you'll need to press your boot menu key. For me, it's F12 to get into the boot menu, so I can select the boot device. And now I'm going to select the UEFI USB, which is the Ventua USB. And I've got two boot options here. I've got a normal Windows 11 25H2 ISO file, and then the Winhance Windows 11 ISO file. Now I want to install Windows with the Winhance Windows 11 ISO file, so I'm going to select that, press enter, and then press enter to boot in normal mode, and then it's going to start booting from that ISO file. Once it's booted from the ISO file, you'll see the same setup screens that you'd normally see on a Windows installation. You'll need to select your language, the time and currency format, your keyboard settings. After that, you'll need to provide a product key or select the option that you don't have a product key. So you can select the edition you want to install. For me, it's Windows 11 Pro, so I'll select that and then continue. And then lastly, we'll need to partition our drive. So I've got one SSD in this computer, and I'm just going to delete all of the partitions on it. Now this is deleting all of the data off of the SSD, but I don't have anything important saved. If you have important files saved on your SSD or hard drive that you're installing Windows to, you'll need to make a backup of that first and copy the files over to another location so that you don't lose them when you do the reinstall of Windows. But I've now got disk 0 with only unallocated space, so I'll select that and then click on next so we can get this Windows installation started. You'll just need to wait for it to complete, and then finally once it's complete, you'll be taken to the onboarding experience or the out-of-box experience. Now here you'll still need to select your country or region, so go ahead and do that. Then also select your keyboard layout, but this is where the Winhance Windows ISO file is different than the Microsoft ISO file. You're not going to be forced to sign in with a Microsoft account. In fact, you can only sign in with a local account. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my username, which is memory. I'll leave the password blank because we don't have to enter a password. And then we're going to load into our user. You'll see it's not going to try download any updates. It's not going to prompt you for any privacy questions because all of that privacy tracking and telemetry has already been turned off. It's already been disabled by default. If you're looking for a full step-by-step tutorial on creating the Windows installation media that I use in this video, please check out the full video that's linked in the description down below.